My nieces and nephews love this little thing, but I have to admit, I'm kind of having fun with it too. This is the cute little Polly. I don't know what it's called, but look at that. She's sitting at a table. She's gonna watch TV now. Look at that. This little doll is like living the life. Like she could just come up here, hang out on this little dog bed. She can like do some dishes or cook some food, eat whatever she wants. She can bake. Look at that. The oven opens up. Sometimes when she's tired, just go to sleep. Isn't that awesome? And then it came with like these little accessories and oops, this little storage compartment for them under here. But yeah, it's fun. I think I might be enjoying it a little bit more than they do.